Hi, to change the strap on a Huawei Band 2, you'll need a replacement strap. Here is the replacement strap. It might come with spare screws, and it might even come with a screwdriver. If it doesn't come with a screwdriver, you'll need a star screwdriver. Flip the watch over, unscrew the screw, and pull out the old strap. It might be a bit dirty on these sections. Just spray it with some sanitizer and clean it. Conventionally, the one with the loop goes on the top. There's a raised lip over there, and that is going to seat in the recess over here. Press it in. Notice there are no gaps or bumps. Hold it with your finger. Feed the screw into the hole. Do not go in at an angle. Make sure you feed it in perpendicular to the strap so it is directly into the hole. Tighten it. When you feel some resistance, go maybe one more turn. Check it. There are no gaps. It has seated correctly. Do the same on the other side. If you do not have a magnetic screwdriver, just place a screw in with your finger. You can press it in a little bit so it holds in place. Take the screwdriver and screw it in. Visually check that the strap lines up with the body of the watch. Thanks for watching and cheers.